Hello guys, welcome to Bootstrap series. My name is Vaseem and today we are going to start our lecture number 7. So in this lecture today I'm going to tell you that how you can create the form fields and how you can create the form with the help of Bootstrap classes in your website very easily and attractive forms. Now let's start. So for this purpose what I will do is first of all let me write here HR. I will save this and refresh my browser just to differentiate the things. So you can see we should also write here. This is just for your understanding. So if you want to read the things, then that will be very easy for you to understand, right? So this one is button area, this one is breadcrumb, and this one you can see the labels. Let me also put the HR here after the menu. We'll save this and moreover the HR is there. Now here you can see, so everything is different. If you want to read anything you can read easily. So this is for the div, this one is for the block code, so this one is for the list and menu, so this one is for the text, so breadcrumb and button. Now I'm going to create the form here, like how you can create the forms. So for this purpose here what we will do is we will write here a div, but as we want to create the form, so as in the HTML I have told you that you will write here form opening and form closing tag because we want to create the form. So what I will do is in this form I will write here my div. I will write here div opening and closing tag. In between I will write here label, right? I will write here like label closing and label opening and closing tag, and in between I will write here name. I will save it and refresh my browser just to show you the output first. Let me write here input also, input tag. So I will write here input. So in between what I will write here in input tag, I will write here type. As what is this? I have told you in my last HTML CSS series that how you can create the form tags. So if you do not understand anything you can review my HTML and CSS series. The link is in I button, so you can read my that series also to understand this thing. And also we can write here like placeholder. In the placeholder I will write let's say I will write here add name. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the form field is created, but here you can see in this form we have not created or write any Bootstrap classes. Now what I will do is I will write here Bootstrap classes. For the Bootstrap classes what I will do is in this div, starting div, I will write here class and the class name is form group. I will save this and refresh my browser. So here you can see some padding and the font is changed here. Padding is implemented. Now what I can do is in this input we will also put a one class. The class name is form. Now here I will also add the class and the class name is form control. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see now it's on all the area. The input is on all screen. And if you want to see on this one on some other screen size, so you can see this is responsive. As my screen is increasing, the input size is also increasing. So if I will not write here form control, so this input field will show here. Hope you understand this thing. Now in this way I can create more and more fields, right? So what I will do is now I will create the mail. So for this purpose I will just copy this and I will paste it here, and I will change some name here, like I will write here email, and also I will write here add email. So the type should also be email, as I have told you in my HTML and series lecture. Here you can see the email is created. Now the next what I want to do is I will write here message. So I will write here message, right? And as the message type is text, form control is here, so I will write here message. And for the message we will write here like text area. We will not use the input, we will use here text area, right? So I will remove this from here and I will write here text area. So text area also has closing tag. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the text area is created. So you can see we can increase the width, height like this. This is responsive, the form is responsive, you can see, right? So that's why we use the Bootstrap classes here. Now next I will tell you that how you can create the select option. Like you can see the drop down, how you can create. Let me write here for this one. What I will do is I will copy this tab, paste it here, and now in between what I will do is I will write here gender, right? And for the input or drop down I will remove this input, and for the drop down, so what I will do is I will write here select an option. As I told you that whenever we are going to create drop down for the select, then we have to write everything in the options of the select. So I will write here option opening tag and option closing tag. So let me create one more. So in between I will write here what? I will write here male and female, and here I will write female. I will save this, and what I will do is here what class I will use. In the select I will write here class form group. Hope you understand this thing. And here for the HTML we can use value like male or value female like this. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see. So these are the Bootstrap classes that you can use here for the drop down. And now let me tell you that if you want to upload some file, then how you can upload the file. For this purpose, what you can do is under the form tag, I will copy this and let me remove everything from here. Like this is, I will write here file because I want to upload the file. So I will write here file, type file. How you can create the best form with the help of HTML CSS tag, I have told you in my HTML CSS series. You can also view that series after clicking the button, the I button on the top of right side of this video. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the file uploading option is appearing here. What I can do is I can click on it and I can upload any file from here, right? So in this way you can create the form. Let me tell you also that how you can create the check button. For the check button, I will paste a div here, the same div, and what I will do is this class will be changed now. So I will write here class checkbox, right? So this is the Bootstrap class to show the checkboxes, and I will write here, I will also remove this label. We do not need this label. So I will write here input, and in this input I will write here type checkbox. And we can write anything here like this is the word that I want to show with the checkbox. Hope you understand this thing. So this input should be in the label because I have right here this text. So I will write here before this a label, and at the end I will also write here label closing tag. Now I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the checkboxes appearing here. In this way you can create so many checkboxes, as many you like. And at the end how we can create the submit button, I have told you that you will write here button closing tag, and here I will write submit, and in between I will write here class btn. What color I want to show, like I will write here btn dash primary. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the submit button is also here now. So you can see now the form is created with the help of Bootstrap classes, and this is responsive for all the medias. Here you can see on all the screens this form is responsive because we have created this form with the help of Bootstrap classes. That's why we use the Bootstrap classes from the scratch, because everything is responsive in this tweeted Bootstrap. Hope you understand everything. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. And if you like my video, please thumbs up my video, like my videos, share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. This is all for today. Thank you so much.